Today, we will be replacing the halogen turn signal lights on this 2018 Ford F-150 Roush with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. The bulbs are located directly behind the headlight housing. However, there is not enough room to reach them from under the hood. We will reach them from inside the wheel well instead. First, loosen the fender liner by removing these 3 bolts. And this locking tab. Start by removing the bolts. Use a clip remover or a flathead screwdriver to remove the locking tab. Now we can peel back the fender liner to reveal the bulbs. If you still need more room, you can remove 1 more bolt from the top of the wheel well. Now, finish pulling back the fender liner. The turn signal bulb is located here. Turn the bulb counterclockwise and pull it out of the housing. Remove the bulb from the socket by pulling straight out. We will replace it with this LED bulb from Ayla Lighting. This bulb has a much different shape and size than the original halogen bulb. These LED bulbs use a CAN bus driver to avoid hyperflashing and to increase their brightness and output without requiring resistors. The driver does not get hot like resistors do. However, the connectors are the same and it will fit into most housings. Install the bulb by pushing it into the housing. These bulbs have a rubber ring that will hold the bulb in place. Plug the connector into the socket. We suggest taping the connector and socket together with electrical tape to make sure the connection is secure. We will zip tie the connectors and driver so there are no loose wires. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. Here is the 2018 Ford F-150 Roush with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. You can see the difference in brightness from the original halogen bulb.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.